Hello, my name is Ravi, and I want to share my story with you today. I feel very sad sometimes. Actually, I feel sad most of the time when I think about speaking English. My classmates laugh at me all the time because my English is poor. Every time I open my mouth to speak, I make mistakes. They laugh almost every time, and honestly, it hurts. It makes me feel so afraid, deeply afraid of speaking English in front of anyone. But I have a friend. Her name is Maria. She is from another country, and she speaks English very well. One day, I tell Maria about my problem. She listens carefully and says something that changes everything. Ravi, you must try. Do not worry so much. I ask her desperately, but Maria, how do I improve? What should I do? Maria smiles and says, start with simple present tense, Ravi. Trust me. I am confused. Why simple present tense? What is so special about it? Maria explains patiently, because it is very important, Ravi. We use it every single day to talk about our daily life. She starts giving me examples, and suddenly, like magic, things become clearer. Maria says, listen carefully. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work. See? These are all simple present tense sentences. I think about my own life and say, oh, I wake up in the morning too. I brush my teeth also. But I drink tea, not water. Maria laughs kindly, not at me, but with me. She says, perfect, Ravi. You are already using simple present tense. You talk about what you do every day. That is simple present tense. For the first time, English does not seem like a monster. It looks easy, almost friendly. But then I remember my situation. I say to Maria, sometimes I try to speak English with my family, but my family does not speak English well. Nobody at home speaks English. That is okay, Ravi, Maria reassures me. Many people have this problem. Then how do I practice? I ask with frustration in my voice. You practice with friends, she suggests. Maria begins. I go to school. I repeat. I go to school. I read books. I read books. I like music. I like music. I watch movies. I watch movies. Maria nods with approval. You see, Ravi, these are very simple sentences. Now you try making your own sentences. I take a deep breath. Okay, I try. I think for a moment and say, I drink milk every morning. Good, Ravi. That is very good. Say more, Maria encourages me. I eat rice for lunch. Very good. I walk to the bus stop every day. Nice sentence, Ravi. I ask nervously. Maria, do you really think I can improve easily? Yes, Ravi. You can definitely improve. I can already see progress. Do you feel proud of me? Yes, I feel very proud of you, Ravi. These words give me so much joy. Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much. Just keep speaking, Ravi. Practice every day. Okay, I promise I will keep speaking every single day. Maria wants to know about my daily routine. She asks, Ravi, what do you do in the morning? Tell me everything. I start describing my morning. Well, I wake up early, around 6 o'clock. What do you do then? I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up completely. What next? I brush my teeth carefully. My mother always reminds me to brush properly. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread with butter. Sometimes I eat parathas. What do you drink? I drink tea. I love tea. I drink at least 3 cups every day. Maria laughs. 3 cups? That is a lot of tea. Very good, Ravi. You are using simple present tense perfectly. She shares her routine too. I wake up early like you. I eat eggs for breakfast every morning. I drink coffee. Lots of coffee. I say, oh, I don't eat eggs often. I prefer vegetarian food. That is fine. Ravi, tell me, what do you eat then? I eat rice and vegetables for lunch. I also eat dal. Sometimes I eat chapati with curry. That sounds delicious, Maria says. What do you do after breakfast, Ravi? I go to college. I take the bus every day. And I go to my office, Maria says. Do you study hard at college? Yes, I study very hard. I study at least 4 hours every day. I feel happy when I study and learn new things. Maria nods. That is wonderful. I work hard at my office too. I feel happy when I finish my work. Maria, how do you practice English? What is your secret? I read every day, Ravi. Every single day without fail. What do you read? I read short stories. I love stories about adventure and friendship. Do you like reading stories? Yes, I love stories very much. What about you? I like poems. I like beautiful poems with deep meaning. That is very good, Ravi. Poetry is wonderful for learning. I tell her, I read poems in my room every night before sleeping. Do you read aloud? Or do you read silently in your mind? I read silently. I feel embarrassed to read aloud. Maria insists, no, Ravi, read aloud. This is very important. Why is reading aloud important? Because it helps you speak. When you read aloud, your mouth practices making English sounds. Your tongue learns the movements. Your ears hear the words. This is very powerful practice. Oh, I never thought about it that way. I see now. I understand. Yes, you should practice speaking every day. So, Maria, let me repeat everything to make sure I understand. Simple present tense is used for habits, right? Yes, for habits and regular activities. For facts and truths. Yes, for permanent facts and universal truths. For schedules and timetables. Yes, for scheduled future events. For daily talk and conversation. Yes, for everyday communication. It is everywhere in English. It is everywhere, in every conversation, in every situation. Then I must master it completely. I must become an expert. Yes, you must master it. Make it automatic. And so, my journey continues. Every day, I wake up with purpose. Every day, I practice simple present tense. I make sentences. I speak aloud. I write in my notebook. I read English books. I watch English movies. I listen to English songs. My classmates still laugh sometimes. But I do not care anymore. Their laughter does not touch me. I focus on my progress. I focus on my growth. I focus on becoming better every single day. Maria believes in me. And now, finally, I believe in myself. Simple present tense is my foundation, my base, my starting point. From here, I build everything. From here, I grow. From here, I become fluent. I am Ravi. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am strong. I am confident. I am successful. And this is just the beginning of my journey.